going to show you how to get your Commodore 64 emulator or Commodore Pet working. So basically, download the emulator. I'll have that link down in the description. And you also need 7-zip, because it's a 7-zip file. So 7-zip extract files. Okay. Open the folder. Open the folder again. And open up the cpet file. And there you go. That's how you do it. By the way, I'll have the emulator linked in the description. But anyway, you're done. Here, to show you that this is working, I'll toggle full screen. And there we go. I know you guys might not see. Oh, there you can kind of see. But it's working now. I'll type up my YouTube name. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you soon.